Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a video talking all about my hair, how I keep it silver, how I get this like lavender tones in my hair. I get a lot of questions and a lot of people think that I go to the salon all the time, which is really not the case. I go about once every 6 months, 5 to 6 months I would say. So yeah, today I'm going to be talking about that, how I keep my hair this color, and how you guys can get your hair this color as well. So this video is not sponsored by anyone, by the way. I just want to throw that out there. So it does contain products that I got sent for free, but I'll get into that in the video. By the way, if you guys are not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below if you like this video. I upload 3 times a week and I do different types of videos. I don't just do like hair or beauty videos. It's like everything you can imagine, vlogs, story times, etc. So it's a fun time here. Please go ahead and click the subscribe button if you want to support me and my YouTube journey. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first thing is first, I do get my hair professionally done, like I just mentioned, every 5 to 6 months. And what I do is I get a balayage. I go to the same girl every single time. I will link her Instagram here somewhere in this video. So if you're in the Calgary or in the Alberta area, you can go and check her out because she does an amazing job, and I've been going to her since 2015, and she's the only person that I trust with my hair. So that's that. She did not do this all in one session, of course, because you can't. She just started very, very slowly. She gave me just basically like ombre. I would say the first time I got it done, it was like a caramel coppery type ombre because my hair was black and it was box dyed black. It was box dyed probably twice, and yeah, to lift all of that color, she had to do it a couple times. So she did that the first time. Second session I got highlights and it was kind of like a medium tone blonde, and then third session was in 2016, and that was pretty much getting me to this color right here. I'll include pictures throughout the video. I've consistently stayed this color, this grayish lavender, since about 2016, and not all products have worked out for me, so I'm going to go through what I use in my routine. I'm going to get started with like shampoo and conditioner, stuff that's like very basic. So basically, I just want to talk to you guys about this product first. This is a box I got sent in the mail a couple days ago, and this is from Influencer. I always talk about Influencer and how much I love them and how much, I love them. Isn't the packaging like super cute? I just almost want to keep this box, but like what am I going to do with it? You know, so this is an OGX box and I was super excited. By the way, this video is not sponsored by OGX or Influencer. I just got sent these items, but I do actually use this brand all the time, very consistently. I've used them for years. This particular one that I was sent, I had not tried because it's one of their newer ones in their line. So it is the Liquid Pearl shampoo and the Liquid Pearl conditioner. And the reason why I have been using this brand for so long, I actually have started using this even before I went blonde. When I still had my dark hair, I used to use OGX because it is sulfate free, and I appreciate that. It's very hard to find a sulfate free shampoo that actually cleans your hair and actually doesn't leave it feeling really gross after 2 days. Like, I don't wash my hair every day and I don't want to wash my hair every day. It's like so much work to do that, especially when you have longer hair, when you have thicker hair. It's very hard to consistently wash your hair every day. I don't know how I used to do it before, but I used to do it all the time, and I feel like that's so bad for your hair. And when you are blonde, you're trying to keep your like the purple tones in your hair, the gray tones in your hair, the platinum tones, ashy tones, whatever, kind of tones you want to tone your hair to. It's really hard to keep that up when you're shampooing your hair every day and washing your hair every day. So I need a gentle shampoo that's sulfate free, that actually works, cleans my hair, and lasts more than a day. So I would do it every other day right when I dye it. And you know, the roots are, I do like a shadow root, so I don't go all the way to the root, but I go about half an inch to where my root is. And like when I first get it done, I shampoo my hair every 3 days, but normal conditions, when my roots are dark like this, I will do it every other day. So this is a really great line for that. If you are looking for a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner that actually do their job, I highly recommend OGX. And like I said, I've been using them for years and I have proof of that, because this is the shampoo that I was using previous to getting this one. So this one's kind of like close to being empty now, but previous to this one I was using the Nicole Guerrero one that she released for the holidays. She released a limited edition shampoo and conditioner line with OGX, and I was using that one before I was using this one. So I've, like I said, been using this brand for years. The one that I really like the Green Tea Fitness, because it does really clean my hair and it feels amazing after, smells amazing. But the particular one that I got sent was the Liquid Pearl, and that's what I've been using lately. The conditioner is amazing. It's very hydrating. I don't feel like I have to consistently put my hair in a hair mask every day, which is what I've been doing. I usually do like a hair mask almost every other day. Every time I wash my hair, I would do like a hair mask, but this I feel like I don't have to do that. It's just very hydrating all on its own. And these are formulated with sea kelp and pearl extract, and they just smell so good. Like, it just smells like the sea, but like clean. You know, like if you were to get an ocean scented candle from Bath & Body Works, that's what these would smell like. Awesome, really great. I feel like my hair is definitely a lot more shiny using that versus using the green tea one. This one is more like to clean my hair, cleans it really well. These ones are more for like making my hair really nice and luminous and perfect, like for summertime when you want to have that mermaid-esque looking hair. So those are the first, that's the first step of my shampoo routine. I just would use the shampoo, and then I would use this one. I would do this either before or after conditioner, and this is my secret to keeping my hair this particular tone, and this is the Finola No Yellow Shampoo. I discovered this last year when I went to a different hairstylist because I just asked her to cut my hair and tone it. I've known her for a super long time on Instagram, and I finally went to her last year, and this is the stuff that she uses to tone people's hair, and I just was like, oh my goodness, I had to look for this. This is available at Showcase Canada if you guys are looking for this. I don't know where it's available in the States. It's supposed, like before, I think it was only available to people that have like a salon card or whatever. You'd have to find this on like eBay or Amazon or something like that, because it was only for professional use only, but now they sell it at Showcase, which I'm so happy about because I live so close to Showcase and I can get this anytime I want. It's 20 bucks. 20 bucks for 350 ml, which sounds like a lot, but it's really not, like, because this lasts so long. I don't know if you guys can see like around the lid there, it's so concentrated, like it's so dark, it's so like, it's such a deep purple. If you guys can see the cap there, it's deeper than any purple shampoo that I've ever used prior to this. And basically for this particular one, what I do, before I used to do it a different way, but now I just do it in the shower after I shampoo my hair or after I condition my hair, depending on the day. I don't know, if I forget to do it before I condition, then I do it after, you know. So this I just kind of like lather into like almost like a hair mask, and try to do it evenly because it does stain certain parts of your hair. If you get it really concentrated on like a part of your end or something like that, it will be like seriously purple. So yeah, that's that. I leave this on for about maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and then I rinse it out My hands are stained purple. My tub is like purple after, so I have to like make sure to rinse it because this is really strong. It works amazingly. If you have blonde hair, you're trying to go platinum, you're trying to go gray, you're trying to go ashy tone, this is perfect for that. They also have one for medium tone blondes when you're not as light. They have one that's anti-orange, which does an amazing job too. You guys should see the before and afters. Like, it's crazy. So if you don't have fully lifted hair, if you still are in the process of trying to go blonde, the no orange one is also really good from Finola as well. And before I discovered this is like my top secret. This is like the thing, the end all be all for my hair care routine that makes my hair silver, that makes my hair gray, that makes my hair like lavender when I want it to be. Because you just basically just leave this on as long as you want your hair to be like, say I wanted to do lavender, say I wanted all of my hair to be lavender, I would just leave this on in my dry hair for like maybe an hour or two, and my full hair, and no joke, would turn like purpley lavender, lilac, whatever color I want it to be, based on how long I put this in my hair for. So yeah, this is my favorite. I've tried many purple shampoos over the years since going blonde. Even before, when I got highlights, my hairstylist recommended me, this was before I found Jen, I was going to another hairstylist and she recommended me AG Color Care. That super dried out my hair. It felt like straw every time I used it, and that was a salon brand and very expensive as well. Shimmer Lights I used for years and years, and it's available at Sally Beauty, and I just thought it was the best of the best. I would have to use so much of it, leave it in my hair for hours because it was not that strong. It was more of like a jelly consistency, and like leaving it in your hair for like 3 hours, like literally 3 hours. I would go to the gym, I would come home, eat food, and then shower, like wash it out of my hair, and it still was not this gray. It would be like half-ass gray, I would say, and that's how I just thought it was the best thing ever, right? So when I discovered this, I completely stopped using Shimmer Lights. I don't use it at all. I don't recommend it to people. I recommend this one 100%. Also, Shimmer Lights has a really strong like perfume, granny, almost scented scent. I don't like it, honestly, and I don't know why I used it for so long. So getting into hair treatments, I will go over a few things. So remember how I said I use OGX a lot? I use their Restoring Bonding Plex. Every time I go to the salon, I get my hair Olaplexed, and to keep, this is like a keep up, I guess, afterwards, after getting it Olaplex, I use this every other day or so. It uses cysteine and vegetable proteins. And yeah, so it's pretty good. It's a little bit on the sticky side, so I don't like to use a lot of it, but I guess that's probably why it's like bonding, you know? So this is pretty good. It's like just a leave-in conditioner. Super inexpensive. I think that this was like maybe $6 or $7. And then I will use, I have this, I have not used yet. Like, I've used this before in the past, but this particular bottle I just got, like, it's like very recent when Sephora had their sale, and I haven't used it since then, but I really should soon. This is just the Olaplex number 3, and this I just use like a hair mask, especially if my hair is feeling really dry. So maybe I should use this soon because I feel like my hair is getting on that drier side, but this just completely revives your hair. This tiny little thing is like $36. It only will last you maybe 3 uses, but it's amazing. It does a great job, and your hair will just thank you afterwards. Trust me, it's an amazing product, and Olaplex has definitely upped the hair care game for sure. Like, I don't think I would have been able to go this light without being super damaged and breaking my hair off if it wasn't for Olaplex. So love Olaplex. And then the very last thing that I use is this. I didn't realize I used so much of it already. This is the Verb Ghost Oil, and every time I straighten my hair, I used it today because I did straighten it so my hair would look nice for this video. So every time I straighten my hair, add any kind of heat, except for if I curl my hair, I don't put this in. If I curl my hair, I just have to use a hairspray because my hair is naturally pretty straight, and if I curl it and put oil, it would just, no, it just wouldn't work out for me. So this I use every time I blow dry my hair. like after I wash it, I always have to blow dry it, otherwise I just look frizzy and gross. So I use this like every time I blow dry my hair. It's basically just a moringa blend, and this is available at Sephora for $18. It's quite a lot of product. Like I just said, like I don't know how I went through it so fast, but my other bottle lasted me 6 months. I don't think this one's gonna last me 6 months though. Maybe I've been using more of it. But this is great. No parabens, no gluten, no sulfates again. I'm all about trying to keep my hair care routine pretty simple and keep the ingredients simple, so I don't like stuff with like parabens or what is it called? Or like sulfates. Even though this, I'm pretty sure, yeah, this one has sulfates, but it also has stuff like wine extract in it. So it's pretty good. I don't think this has parabens either, to be honest. I don't see it in the ingredients. Yeah, this doesn't have parabens. I knew this had sulfates in it though, because it bubbles so much more than the OGX ones without that much work. But like I said, I like to keep my hair care routine pretty simple. When you do go this light, you're prone to more damage and you're prone to basically brassiness. Like if you don't take care of your hair, if you don't tone your hair every week, if you don't tone your hair every other time you wash your hair, you're gonna end up with like orange hair, and that's not cute. So that is pretty much it for my hair care routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that it was helpful, and if you guys are trying to go blonde, make sure you do it in sessions. Don't try to go from box dyed black hair to platinum in one session, because number one, you're gonna kill your hair. Number two, that's not gonna work. Like you're gonna end up with something like, you're gonna end up with like bright orange hair or something like that. Like it's just not gonna work. So make sure you do it the right way, make sure you do it slowly, and it is possible to, I'm Asian, I have dark hair normally. It's possible to go this light for sure without really killing it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys soon in my next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below if you did enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye everyone.